In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create components in Adobe XD. Components are the building blocks that keep your designs consistent and easy to update. When you turn a design element into a component, you're essentially creating a reliable template you can reuse throughout your project. This is especially helpful for things like buttons, icon groups, and cards, elements that repeat across multiple artboards and screens. Start by selecting the object or group of objects you want to reuse. This could be a single layer, like a simple icon, or a combination such as a button with a background shape, label text, and an icon. Make sure you include everything that belongs together so the component works as a cohesive unit. If your card includes an image, a title, and a subtitle, select all of those layers before proceeding. You can drag a marquee selection around the elements, or click each layer while holding your modifier key to build a precise selection. The goal here is to capture the entire reusable element just as you want it to appear whenever you place it again. With your selection ready, right-click anywhere on the selected object and choose Make Component. This command tells Adobe XD to package your selection into a reusable component. It doesn't change your design visually in a disruptive way. It simply designates that selection as a master version you'll be able to use throughout your file. Think of it as creating a trusted source that keeps your design consistent wherever it's used. To confirm that the component was created successfully, look for the green filled diamond icon. You'll see it attached to the element on the canvas and alongside its entry in the Layers panel. That green filled diamond indicates this is the main component, the original version. It's the one you'll rely on as your single source of truth. The visual cue is there to help you quickly identify it as the master, so you always know which element controls the baseline design. That's all it takes. Select the object or objects you want to reuse, right-click and choose Make Component. Then verify the green-filled diamond to confirm you've created the main component. By being thoughtful about what you convert, buttons, icon sets, or content cards, you set yourself up for a smoother workflow, consistent visuals, and easier changes down the line. Keep this simple process in mind as you design, and you'll find your projects become more organized and efficient.